Good. Hello guys, this is Neil, back at you from Mason Auto Sales LLC in Portland, Ohio. Today I bring you guys a law enforcement retired 2007 E350 Ford extended passenger van. This one was used on the East Coast, I believe by a state or a federal entity, just retired. It's got the 5.4 liter V8, the 2-valve engine. This van is got just over 58,000 miles, original miles. The van runs great. We're gonna go walk around and then we'll go on the interior and the engine compartment. Let's start with this side here. The tires on the front are about 60%, but whoever buys this van needs to put new tires. These tires make humming noise when you go down the road, but it drives straight, stops, nothing leaks, doesn't. AC works, heat works. Now, the reason I want to give you guys a look on the outside here, this van had a decal on the side, and when it was retired, motor pool guys they took the decals out, but they went ahead and scraped the sides, and they touched it up with white. It's ugly looking. This van's got battle scars on it, but it runs absolutely great. Only 58,000 miles on a 2-valve 5.4 engine. I mean, these engines go up to 500,000 miles easy with regular maintenance. It was maintained every 3,000 miles. It was just serviced a few days ago. It does have little bang and bangs here, some scuffs and scrapes, but there is no rust on the body. I mean, it's very minimum. The wheels are great. It's a solid van. I mean, this is a nice workhorse. If somebody's looking for a 15 passenger, it does have one row seat, one bench seat in the back. The brackets are on the floor. I'll show you guys when we go on the interior. The decals went all the way to the back. This is undercoating. It comes off with if you wipe it with gasoline or some kind of kerosene or anything like that. I just sprayed it there just to cover some rust spots, little rust spots right here. The back tires are good. As a matter of fact, if somebody buys this van, you could put new tires in the front and keep those front tires for the rear. But these tires are very aggressive and they have a humming noise when you go down the road. It depends on everybody with comfort. The windows are good. There's no cracked glass. The bumpers are good. This is an 07 E350 with the AdvTrac. This here is all like from the decals, some kind of like glue material, comes really off easy. This comes off easy. It's cold here, so I didn't want to wash it, and it's hard to detail and wash this. And you know, let me open the doors, mine as well. See if you guys could tell, the brackets are. First of all, this comes with the rubber heavy-duty rubber floor, which is perfect. The brackets are here. The van did not come with any bench seats, only one. But if you have an older van and you want to, get a newer one, some people could use it as cargo van. Take the bench seat out, but it always helps to have a couple of bench seats just in case you want to go on a road trip and have some people with you. It did not come with a hitch, but it does have the connection. The connectors there. So, sorry, the connector. The hitch plug is right there. This side, if you guys could see, this comes right off. So if somebody wants to do a better job on painting this thing, they could do so easily. So it's just the decal was this wide, and it goes all the way to the front. The side doors are in great shape. Now remember, this is a law enforcement van. It was not used to transfer prisoners. So a lot of times law enforcement vans, they come in a little rough, but it does not undermine the drivability and the performance of the van. So don't look at the battle scars and say this is a bad van. It's got 58,000 miles, so just over 58,000. These doors, the panels, you could grab these at any place. They're very cheap to get. They do open from the inside. The handle right here opens from the inside. The headliner is good. I mean, at 58,000 miles, I mean, for the price, if this was like, if it looked the way it came out of the factory for the mileage and the year, this is KBB value is over $12,000. So I have it listed below 10,000, well below 10,000. So if you guys want to go check the price, I will leave a link on the bottom for our website to go visit our website and check the prices. You could always comment on this video, questions, advice, whatever it is, share your opinion. And then my numbers are 773-255-9856. That's my cell phone. And my office number is 330-333-5931. Call me for any questions, for pricing, you know, anything you need. I'll be more than happy to help you out. My name is Neil. This is not an XLT. This is the XL, which is, you know, very basic. You know, I mean, you don't have power windows and power locks, but a lot of people like it that way. The dashboard is in good shape. I'm gonna go show you guys the odometer. Turn the engine on. Let me show you the hood first, under the hood. Like I said, under the hood is the 5.4 liter V8. It's a 5.4 liter V8. It's a 2-valve V8 engine, which is much easier to maintain and runs better than the 3-valve. If you guys need to check that out, the information, you can Google it and you'll know what I'm talking about. It runs great. Does not overheat. There's no leaks. There's no check engine lights. The engine is, like I said, it's 58,000 miles. I mean, this van will not last. So if you're looking for a van, this is for a good work van. This is it. And let's show you guys the odometer. Speakers work. Just raise your hand there. See the corner, all the way in the corner there, the odometer. Can you see it? You're gonna move your hand maybe a little bit that way. Yep. 58,439 miles. So, like I said, it does have a little battle scars here and there, but this is a good van, a good running van. I just got finished detailing it, and it took me 2 days to detail, so it was a little dusty on the inside. So I probably would guess it was used by the Border Patrol or some kind of like state or federal entity in that manner. But the agency I got this from, usually they sell a lot of newer and older model vans with very low mileage. So I wouldn't be surprised why the mileage is low. Like I said, this comes off if the owner wants to, you know, get this, you know, professionally done. If the customer knows how to do it, or they have somebody that can do it for them, it will turn up very clean. So it's a solid van. Once again, my name is Neil with Mason Auto Sales. We specialize in large passenger vans. If you are looking for one, give me a call, email me. My email will be in the link, and the link will be in the description section of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish you guys a happy holiday season, happy new year, be safe, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.